Welcome to PromptHR Tutorials. Today we shall see the process of creating a new salary grade. But make sure grade must be already created before creating a new salary grade. Click on the video link, given in the description box to know how to create grade. Your company is planning to introduce a new salary grade, then you now need to create this in PromptHR. Before you log into PromptHR, check that you have admin rights to create a new salary grade. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Switch to your admin role. Choose Masters from your left-hand side menu. Click on Position. Click on Salary Grade. In the list view that you see, click on plus icon at the bottom of your screen to open the form to add your new salary grade. 1. Enter code. 2. Enter the name. 3. Select grade from the list. It is the main grade under which this subgrade will come. 4. Click on Save. After saving, you can see the newly created salary grade in the list.